Alright guys, this was not an easy decision with so many options this year. The iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Pro, the new iPhone Air. I had to seriously sit down and ask myself which one actually makes sense for me. And after a lot of thinking, I am going with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. But trust me, it wasn't an easy choice. Apple dropped some crazy new devices this year. The regular iPhone 17 has that brand new design, the Air is super lightweight with insane portability, and the Pro is basically the sweet spot in the lineup. So I spent all that extra money on the Pro Max. Honestly, I almost did. But here's where the Pro Max pulls me in. The display, that massive 6.9-inch panel is just perfect for what I do. Editing videos on the go, scrolling through my channel analytics, or even just watching Netflix in bed. Once you have lived with the bigger screen, it's hard to go back. The battery life, the 17 Pro Max is easily the endurance king. For me, shooting contents all day, recording voiceovers, running apps in the background, I need a phone that can keep me up without constantly reaching for the charger. Apple gave the Pro Max the 8x telephoto zoom this year. Honestly, that sealed the deal. I filmed a lot of tech shots, lifestyle clips, and some outdoor content. Having the extra rig makes my shots look so much more professional. But here's the flip side. The phone is big, like really big. Carrying it around in my pocket, not the most comfortable. The iPhone 17 Air is so tempting because it's light, thin, and perfect for minimalists. Even the smaller Pro models feel like a better daily drive for a lot of people. And of course, the price tag on the Pro Max, that hurts. You're basically paying premium for that extra zoom lens and battery. So yeah, this wasn't an easy choice. I had to weigh portability, comfort, and price. And at the end of the day, I realized for the type of content I create, the Pro Max just fits my workflow. It is the tool I need. But for you, it might be totally different. Maybe the iPhone 17 Air is perfect daily phone. Maybe the Pro is the real sweet spot. And honestly, that's the beauty of this lineup. Apple finally gave us the real choices. So tell me down in the comments, which iPhone are you choosing this year and why? Let's see who's Team Pro, Team Pro Max, or Team Air. If you like these breakdowns, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech videos, and I will catch up in the next one.